Top 7 Best Drone for GoPro in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Potensic Deity 5 Drone for GoPro. The Potensic Deity 5 Drone for GoPro is a great option for consumers looking for a headache-free all-in-one solution, as this multi-pack includes the drone itself, a hardshell carrying case, a pair of lithium-ion batteries that add up to 40 minutes of use per charge, and a 2K FHD sports camera. We love the durable and sturdily built brushless motor system that allows the drone to reach speeds up to 30 miles per hour. We also like the push-button takeoff and landing functionalities, further increasing this drone's usefulness. There are no guards to protect against accidental damage with this drone, though third-party guards can easily be installed. Additionally, the integrated camera is of high quality, and it can be swapped out for a GoPro. But it does not record sound, just video or stills. Compare this with the best Follow Me drone that can transmit a live video stream. Number 6. Holystone HS700D Drone for GoPro. The Holystone HS700D Drone for GoPro is a fantastic option for beginners, thanks to several design choices that optimize ease of use, including one-touch takeoff and return functions, an intuitive control scheme, and a headless flight mode. We love the fantastic lithium battery included with this drone, lasting 22 minutes per charge, and the durable and well-made brush motor. This is a relatively expensive drone, however, as there is a 2K HD camera included with the purchase. Also, this camera is on the heavier side and features plenty of flight power, so you'll need to have it registered with the FAA before use. Compare this with the best professional drones that feature high-grade components and professional-grade HD cameras. Number 5. Zyro Explorer Drone for GoPro. The Zyro Explorer Drone for GoPro is a great option for consumers who already own a GoPro Hero 4 action camera, as this model has been built for seamless integration with the popular camera. We love the high-precision 3-axis camera stabilization system, helping produce smooth stills and video streams. We also appreciated the lengthy battery life here, with 25 minutes of flight time per charge. This is a heavier than average drone, coming in at just over 8 pounds, which could impact the ease of transport. Additionally, there's a steep learning curve here to get the controls down, though there is a control scheme available for amateurs. Compare that with the best fixed-wing drone that has an automatic takeoff and landing feature which makes it easy to operate. Number 4. Altair Aerial Blackhawk Drone for GoPro. The Altair Aerial Blackhawk Drone for GoPro is an incredibly durable and sturdily built model, featuring a mostly metal body that absolutely excels in windy conditions and should survive whatever is thrown at it. We admired the relatively robust battery on offer here, allowing for nearly 20 minutes of flight time per charge, and the 500-meter transmission range. We also like the integrated 6-axis gyro, offering smooth and unparalleled flight control even while making sudden turns. Though the included analog remote control unit is highly intuitive and allows for performing tricks, the company does not offer a dedicated smartphone app for additional control options. Also, there's no carrying case included with the purchase, and we'd recommend investing in one for protection. Speaking of protection, the best drone for traveling has sensors on each side that help avoid obstacles and prevent crashes. And if it doesn't, our article on making an obstacle avoidance drone can help. Number 3. Unique Q500 Typhoon Drone for GoPro. The Unique Q500 Typhoon Drone for GoPro is of exceptional quality, offering several high-end features including an analog remote control and receiver combo unit that boasts an intuitive and large touchscreen display. We love that this drone ships with an integrated 3-axis precision gimbal camera pre-installed, saving consumers a fair amount of hassle. We also enjoy the fantastic battery life available with this drone, as the integrated lithium-ion battery allows for up to 25 minutes of flight time per charge. This may make it one of the best drones for hunting. Though this drone does come with a whole suite of bells and whistles, it does not include a carrying case, so we'd recommend purchasing your own. Additionally, this is an extremely expensive model, likely due to the inclusion of a gimbal and camera. A slightly more affordable option may be the best drone for beginners with a camera and GPS. Number 2. DJI Phantom 2 Quadcopter Drone for GoPro. The DJI Phantom 2 Quadcopter Drone for GoPro is a great choice for consumers looking to shoot stable and ultra-smooth video and still shots, thanks to the inclusion of the renowned Zenmuse H33D 3-axis gimbal. We love the integrated lithium-ion battery pack, which allows for 25 minutes of flight per charge, and the intuitive analog control stick complete with battery power indicators and a dedicated thrust knob. This is a pretty expensive drone, however, likely due to the reputable DJI brand name and the fantastic features available. Also, the included gimbal does require manual installation, and the process can be frustrating. So, if you need a little more help on fixing a drone gimbal, our articles have more info. Plan on setting aside an hour or so. Consider instead any of the top 7 best drones for beginners that takes all the intimidation out of operating a drone. Number 1. 3DR Solo Quadcopter Drone for GoPro. The 3DR Solo Quadcopter is a fantastic drone with a camera, as it integrates nicely with nearly every GoPro model, including the renowned Hero line. We appreciated the integrated HDMI port, which makes for easy viewing on just about any screen, and the intuitive smartphone-based control scheme. This control scheme is aided further by the included analog remote. We also love the wide variety of drone functions available, including a follow me mode, a selfie mode, an orbit mode, and more. So, comparing the camera vs a drone, which one do you think is better? This is a professional-grade drone, and as such, it will require registration with the FAA to legally fly it. Additionally, this model is on the expensive side, likely due to the number of advanced features on offer. Some slightly cheaper options can also be found in the best drone for kids and teenagers that is purpose-built for performing acrobatic tricks. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best drone for GoPro in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.